Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will talk about locale IDs. Now what exactly is a locale ID? Now locale ID can help us to identify the language and the country. These are combination of language and country code. Now in here, if we check the Java supported locales, the list is pretty large, and if we check out one of the locale code, then definitely we can see the locale code consists of two parts. The first part, where both the characters are in lowercase, is nothing but your language code. Then we have the country code. Now friends, a specific country can have multiple locales. Why? Because in a country there could be like multiple languages which people use, right? Likewise, a language can be used in multiple countries. So for example, I search for India. Then definitely English is a widely spoken language in India, and the locale is EN_IN. EN stands for English, whereas IN stands for India. Now if I check the entry for India once again, then definitely there is a yet another very popular language, which is Hindi, which is spoken in India, and the locale is HI_IN. So this is the way the locale can help us to identify the language and the country. Now definitely these locale IDs are used when we make use of internationalization. Even if we check out what we say hotels.com, then definitely you can make out that when we for example change the country, for example I change the country to Indonesia, then definitely on the URL itself the locale ID would be specified. So definitely the locale ID can be easily used when we support internationalization. Alright, so this was a short video based on locale IDs, and definitely later down the line we will again make use of locale IDs into our own programs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.